Good morning, Key West. It was interesting starting out this trip with a stop right away. Usually we have a sea day for the first day. We docked at Key West bright and early, and the weather was absolutely fantastic. We have one of our friends who lives down here, and so we met her for like an insider's tour. It had some really cool buildings, kind of a combination of historic and partying and eccentric. The ship was right on the pier, which was great. They have an interesting hat shop right there too, you should definitely check out. And a ton of roosters. There were just wild roosters wandering around in the town. Everything was brightly painted, really coolly decorated, lots of good places to stop for a drink, and yeah, islands everywhere. Pretty cool overall. Next up, I thought you might want to see our room. So we're in the very back of the ship in a Sky Suite 2150. We really like the balcony for watching the sail away, and the room itself is pretty spacious. It's got a ton of storage. Oh yeah, we always cover the couch in a tapestry that we bring. But it has a ton of storage, desk drawers, 2 closets. I use one, my husband uses the other. Plenty of places for all your great and terrible hats. One question we get asked a lot is, what do you do with a butler? So usually when you first dock, we tell our room steward and butler when we like to go to dinner, when we leave for the morning. And then your butler helps with a variety of things like boutonnieres for formal night, getting flowers, just helping arranging and organizing things. They're always there to help you, but very unobtrusive. It's so wonderful. We just spent the rest of the day wandering around the ship. We stopped by Cafe El Baccio. Pro tip, you can get any of the drinks iced or hot. I really love the Macallan latte iced. And you can have them to go or where you're there. The ship was pretty abandoned, which was a perfect time to just chill and relax. In the afternoon, we're invited to the helipad sailaway, which is absolutely delightful. It's a great way to get to meet the officers, get to see some of the other guests. The view is spectacular. They have cocktails, and the captain waved to us with a giant sign from the bridge, which was totally fun. Yeah, it was a really great time. So for the evening, we did kind of like a steampunk sort of a look. When you do the helipad sail away, it's difficult to have the 2 hours requisite time to do the beard waxing and the spats and the vests, so highly recommend an easy formal night, quasi-formal night. Tomorrow's full formal night. And then we saw Topper, which was absolutely our favorite show. We saw both shows. Highly recommend Topper if you get a chance. And tomorrow is a sea day, so we'll see what tomorrow brings. Woohoo!